Welcome to my channel. Bedhead by Tigi Hair Wax Stick for Stronghold is offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. If you're curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. The original and iconic Bedhead Wax Stick. This hair wax stick gives hairstyles instant texture, definition, and separation. The hair wax has a strong hold and is super easy to apply and style hair with. The wax complex leaves hairstyles smooth and frizz-free. Great for styling short to medium hair lengths. Apply to dry or damp hair. For short hair, 2 to 3 inches in length, apply in a circular motion over the entire head, then style with your fingers. For mid to long hair lengths, flick hair wax through mid-lengths to ends. Top tip: use a hairdryer to gently heat up the wax before applying for a smoother application. You don't have to apply it straight to your head either. Apply the wax stick to the hands first and use your fingers to create the final details. Formulated with Beeswax and Japan Wax to give hair hold and definition while creating texture and giving control, and Castor Oil to condition the hair and leave hair feeling smooth and frizz-free. The wax stick comes with an amazing lavender fragrance. Check out the description to find the product link. Thank you for watching this video.